when I'm talking to people, when they first call and they say, oh, we want to do this project, and I always ask, how are y'all funding the project? They say, we don't know. When should someone reach out to you?
Immediately. Because, and here's the thing I'd say on this, I can save someone so much time, and I'll be honest with someone and say, hey, this is the product I have. This may not be your best approach, but because I'm interested in long-term relationships with people, I'm going to point them in a direction I think is going to be most beneficial for them, as opposed to, I just see no joy in putting someone in a product that doesn't make sense for them. And so I think finding someone that you can trust or would be open to you about where you are, and some of that revolves around knowing what your current situation is. What's your history in terms of purchase and refinance, because all that comes into play in terms of what you can do now or can do in the future. There's some really, I mean, and that conversation doesn't have to be very long. It could be a 5-10 minute conversation, and then I can put someone or at least direct them in the right steps.